Woo! Hey Credos! It's time for me to get a new purse, so I'm going to unwrap it right here for you and give you my first impressions. The features I was looking for were first, a medium-sized bag. Second, a bag with a strap that was adjustable and could be used crossbody if I wanted to. Third, black and brown. I mostly wear brown, but I don't like to switch out my stuff. I'm too lazy to do that. I wanted a multi-use bag that I could wear with either color. So, this is what I came up with, and I'll tell you what I think as I open it. This one actually feels like leather. I believe it's a vegan leather, but it feels nice and soft. It doesn't feel plasticky. The size is really nice. It's got black and brown detailing. It's got a nice zipper pocket in the back that I'll probably use for my phone, and it's big enough to actually fit my phone. The front, you have another zipper pocket. Oh, it goes all the way down, nice. You have a snap section. The snap is really just decorative because it also has a zipper to secure whatever's inside. Oh, it's got a cute little tassel. So there, another pocket goes all the way to the bottom. This is a magnet snap. So now let's check out the strap. All right, here's the strap. Adjustable, as you can see. This is the short version. Goes about down to here. It's got plenty of length. I'll do it about halfway. I could crossbody it easily. Only halfway, and it goes about down to my waist, so that's perfect for me. Inside, I have two loose pockets and also a back zipper pocket. That seems to be kind of standard. And the interior is quite roomy. I haven't used this yet. I'm gonna pack it up right now, but I can tell you that from the initial look, I was not disappointed. It looks nice, feels nice, seems to have nice quality build. So if you're looking for a black and brown purse with a good strap and decent capacity, check this one out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and ring that notification bell. You can also follow along on Instagram at Midlife Credo, and join us on the Midlife Tribe on Facebook too, where we're thriving midlife without the crisis, but with cute, fashionable accessories.